Yo, what's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn and Dine. Nah, it's your boy Levine. But yeah, we back with another one. And today I'm just trying to review this puff vinyl I got from Hobby Lobby earlier. This is my first time seeing some puff vinyl on Hobby Lobby, so I'm like, I gotta grab this and see what it's hitting on. So that's what we're finna do. Check out this puff vinyl. Yeah, we got a little bit of green and pink over here. This is regular vinyl to go with it. Then I bought the poly vinyl as well to go with the shirt. The design is just pretty simple. Mental health matters shirt. I just woke up feeling like mental health matters today. And it really does, bro. It really does. So many people battle mental health issues and never say anything about it. Y'all matter, man. If y'all matter. But yeah, so we just gonna get into it. I ain't gonna talk the whole video. Let's go. Yeah, shout out to my brother J Joker with the beat, man. Appreciate you for these instrumentals, man. Y'all go check him out on YouTube, Jay Johnson. He'll get you right, man. He'll get you right for the instrumentals. Let's go. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This vinyl here, it's kind of thicker. Like, it was hard as hell to pull this stuff up out of there. Like, y'all see how my other videos, how it just smoothly come out like butter. This shit coming out like goddamn grits. It's taking so long. It's sticking to the damn thing, but I got it though. But it's just a little thicker and more potent. You know what I'm saying? More potent than the regular vinyl. If you still with me right now, man, go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button for more updates. Go ahead, click the notification button so you can see my shit as soon as it drop, man. I'm telling y'all, I got heat coming from y'all. We're not gonna do this every video. I got something special coming for y'all once I reach these 100 subscribers. So do what y'all gotta do to get us up there, gang. Come on, gang. Oh yeah, that red was puff vinyl too. That's from I bought that from Amazon. And it really didn't really come out right, so. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. This vinyl make my flesh crawl just seeing all that. Look like some heebie-jeebies, like wrinkled up skin or something, bro. So yeah, here comes the finished product. It's alright. It's not a 5-star to me, if you ask me, because I done did it better. But it's alright. I'll probably give it away. Somebody want this shirt, just let me know in the comments, man. But it's a size small. So thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Tune in for the next one. We out.